This tender and juicy Hamburg is cooked in a flavorful sauce made out of the Pantry ingredients. In this chopstick country, the patty is soft, and it should be soft, has a lot of Panko breadcrumb in the filling, but it's perfect and it's so delicious. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, combine Panko breadcrumb and milk and let it absorb the moisture. Set aside. To mince the onion, cut in half and place the onion on the cutting board, cut side down, and use a sharp knife to cut vertically through the root end. Hold the onion firmly with your finger, make horizontal cuts, and cut crosswise. Mince the stem ends as well. Many cookbooks recommend sauteing the onion before adding it, but I find the moisture in the onion when you add it raw helps cooking by steaming it from the inside. And even when you cook in the sauce, it makes soft patty. And let's slice the onion for the sauce and cut off the stem from the Shimeji mushroom at this point. And our cutting job is done. In a mixing bowl, combine the ground beef and pork and minced onion, egg, salt and pepper, and nutmeg. Mix really well until everything is evenly incorporated and bind well. It takes only a few minutes and it looks like this. Divide the filling into equal size portions and shape them into oval patties. Divide into 8 like pizza, and divide each portion into 2 and you will have 16 equal portions. Heat the frying pan on medium heat, and I actually use 2 frying pans to cook everything at the same time. And cook until browned on one side about 2 to 3 minutes, and flip over and cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove the patties from one pan and set them aside. In the same frying pan, add sliced onion and cook until soft to bring out the sweetness, and then add shimeji and cook until heated through. Add tonkatsu sauce and ketchup and sugar and water. Cook until boiling and then pour over the Hamburg patties. Cover the frying pan with the lid and let them simmer for about 10 minutes or until cooked through and the sauce has slightly thickened. And it's done! To serve the Hamburg, I use the skillet to keep it warm longer on the table. Serve the stewed Hamburg hot, garnish with broccoli if you like. Serve with hot steamed rice and a little bit of sauce, and that makes everybody smile. And it's perfectly chopstick tender. And my favorite is served with mashed potatoes. And you can adjust the seasonings like using your favorite barbecue sauce according to your taste preference. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!